welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Dogs token allocation to your Bybit account. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the Dogs Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. So if you got in, congratulations. So this is how to withdraw from the Dogs board to your Bybit account. So according to the Dogs team, they are going to process the withdrawal on the 20th of August 2022. So for you to start, what you need to do is to open your Dogs bot, click on Deposit to Exchange, select Exchange. Now click on Continue. So those of you that want to use OKS, fine. But if you are in Nigeria, please don't use OKS because OKS is no longer available for Nigerians. So please don't use OKS Exchange. So click on Bybit. Now click on Send here. Now click on Yes, I have it. So for those of you that don't have a Bybit account, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that is going to help you to open a Bybit account, and please don't forget to use my code. So if you're in Nigeria and want to open a Bybit account, you need plastic name, driver's license, or international passport to open a Bybit account. Please make sure it is verified before you follow this process. So if your Bybit is already verified, you are good to go. So now what you need to do is to copy your Bybit UID, your Dogs deposit address, and your memo. So for you to do that, you visit your Bybit account, click here. Alright, so this is the UID. Copy the UID, minimize back, and paste it here. So paste the UID here. Now for the deposit address, minimize back, go back, click on assets, click on deposit, click on deposit crypto. Now look for Dogs. Alright, make sure to look for Dogs. Alright, so this is Dogs. Click on it. Now click on Ton, that is TON. Click on OK. Select address. Now minimize back and you paste the address. After that, make sure to go back and copy the memo. So this is the memo, which is the tag. Copy it and minimize back and you paste it here. So after that, you click on send. So confirm withdrawal of, you're going to see your allocation, your Bybit ID, deposit memo. Please make sure to process this, and your KYC must be passed. So make sure to verify your Bybit account before proceeding with this. You can choose another option if you are not satisfied with this. Make sure this is correct. Then you click on I confirm. So deposits in progress. Now be ready for the listing on the 20th of August. So you're going to see the Dogs allocation to your Bybit account on the 20th of August according to them. Then you click on move. So you're good to go. So you click on deposit, exchange, continue. Let's see. Send here. Yeah. So send, confirm. Saving error, check your UID deposit address, blah blah blah. So I've already done it, so no need for another option. Alright guys, so this is what you need to do as of the time of making this video. So you can see withdrawing. So this is how to withdraw your allocation to your Bybit account, which is going to land in your wallet on the 20th of August 2024 or before then. Alright guys, so if you want to know how to withdraw to your Telegram wallet, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. So I'm going to make a video about that very soon, which I will surely drop the link at the description of this video on how you can do it. So guys, I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.